Hi, I'm Candace, Global Trainer for Topcon Healthcare, and I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to take a 3D wide scan using your Maestro2. The 3D wide scan is a full 12 by 9 millimeter scan that captures both the optic disc and the macula regions all in one scan. Okay, so let's get started. We're gonna hit 3D wide, and I'm gonna have the patient come in forward with his chin on the chin rest, forehead touching the top bar. Perfect. And make sure the pupil is in between the blue lines. This will adjust the patient's chin rest, so if you need to move it a little bit to the bottom, you can do so. Tap the center of the pupil, hit capture start, let the patient know to look for that green X and to blink normally. All right, so blink and hold it right there. Don't blink, don't move. Great, and hit OK. And that's how you take a 3D wide scan using your Maestro2. For more information, please check out Topcon Healthcare University, and we will see you later.